Hi guys, today we're going to talk about lifi. Lifi.
Introduction. What is the lifi? Lifi is a cellular wireless network and categorized under VLC, which transfers bits of data at very high speed using light. Lifi was invented by a group of scientists from University of Edinburgh, which are Dr. Gordon Povey, Dr. Mustafa Afghani, and Professor Harold Hell. There are many advantages of Lifi, such as very high speed, better security, and no interference with radio frequency waves.
Problem statement of our project are: what is the unique features of lifi compared to Wi-Fi? And what are the components involved in lifi technology? There are few limitations of lifi. First, interference occurs from external light source. Second, light must always be kept on at all times. Third, light cannot pass through wall, hence it has small signal coverage.
Now, let's discuss the optical theory behind the technology. Lifi requires a light emitter and a light detector. Light signal will be modulated with data stream and transmitted through the air. The transmitted signal will be received by light detector and converts the signal back to electrical signal for further process in order to obtain the original data stream. The technique used to modulate the signal is OFDM. This is used to divide the signal carrier into multiple signal modulated subcarriers. For example, the signal carrier of 1 MHz is divided to 10 signal subcarriers with 10 kHz each without gap band in between because they are orthogonal to one another.
There are two types of components involved in lifi, which is transmitter and receiver. For transmitter, we use a white light LED as it consumes a low power, which is 50 watt compared to others. For receiver, there are three types of components we use, such as silicon photodiode, charge coupled device also known as CCD, and solar cell. Most popular one is silicon photodiode as it has a good response in visible wavelength.
The application of lifi. Lifi can be used anywhere as long as the light source is available. For example, lifi in airlines. Lifi can be applied in flight entertainment system IFE, where the passenger can use a LAN over the seat to stay connected with an internet even though they are more than 5,000 feet away from the LAN. Lifi can also reduce the cabling weight of Wi-Fi. In sensitive industry. A certain jobs such as miners and power plants are really strict to use any radio frequency spectrum as it can trigger the fire in a workplace. By using a lifi technology, this serious issue could be settled because lifi provides safe substitute to electromagnetic interference. As for conclusion, lifi can solve many issues that radio frequency are unable to solve. If this lifi technology can be put into practical use, every LED bulb can be used to transmit wireless data. We will then proceed towards the cleaner, greener, safer, and brighter future.